In primetime news this evening, police on the fire and motorist film doing stunts on a busy main road walks free. PM Holness hits back at the PNP on poverty claims. And all schools to get water tanks for the new school year.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, where should we buy properties from? Is it this country or that country? Well, one company is being very cautious about where it invests. I'll tell you which company and why later in the business day.
And from Andrew, we go to Jermaine Brown, also in blue, at a wall in blue. What's happening?
Thank you, Archie. Well, speaking of the new school year, the new schoolboy football season is on the horizon. Big bucks being spent and everything is in place. We'll tell you more when we come back.
Exciting times. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you think of the police's decision not to charge the driver who was filmed doing stunts on a main road in the corporate area?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
Primetime News headlines